Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply a promo code in Temu step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser like Chrome and go to the Temu website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now start browsing and choose any product you want to buy. Once you find a product, click on it and then click Add to Cart. After that, click on the cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Here you will see all your selected items. Now click on the checkout button to proceed. On the checkout page, you will see different payment methods. Choose your preferred option and then scroll down carefully. Here you will find a section called Apply Coupon Code or Promo Code. Click on it. Now enter your promo code in the box. If you already have a code, type it manually. Sometimes available coupons are also shown automatically, so you can select from there. After entering the code, click on Apply. You will now see the updated total with your discount applied. Make sure to review everything carefully. Once confirmed, click on Submit Order to complete your purchase, and that's how you apply a promo code on Temu. Stay tuned for more simple and easy to follow guides just like this one. I'll be bringing more tips and tricks to help you learn faster and work smarter every day. Drop a comment below if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.